Holy mother of mercy, I almost just got blinded by that. Ow, my eyes hurt from that one. Holy mackerel. I don't know if I should be this close to a window. Wow. If it gets any worse, I'm moving. Oh wait, you can see me. Holy crap, Rudy's. This is not safe. This lightning is very close. I feel like it's gonna like strike our backyard. It's getting harder, I think. Woo! And the thunder. There you go. Woo! Oh god, it's getting worse. How's it getting worse? How did it get worse? Oh. How is it hailing? I think we need to get in the basement. Oh. Look at the downspout. You just missed the giant lightning. Holy cow. Mom! Holy crap. A tree's probably gonna fall on me and I'm gonna die, and this video might not get on YouTube. Do. That's like dangerous. Okay. What do I do? I don't know what to do. Oh! Holy shoot. Holy cow. What is this storm? If you guys, I need to repost it, but the Animal Crossing gone wrong. This is worse than that. We got that tornado warning. This is worse. Get in the basement. Bye. Okay. What is happening? So much lightning. Another strike. And another. And another. And another. There is another. Woo! to catch I want to catch a tree fall down. I mean, like, not on the house. Like, that giant tree right there, if that fell, I'm done for. But, like, whew. This is crazy. Oh, holy cow. Be prepared. Aw, that was so quiet. Oh, never mind then. There we go. Ooh, that's a long one. Still going. Okay. Wow, you can like see my face. It's kind of funny. Hello, hello, camera. Hello, camera. Get a. Oh, I missed that one. Oh my gosh. Wow. Starting to flood, I think. My dog's probably terrified. I can't, like... Oh my god, it's so close. Holy cow! That was cartoon lightning. That was, I don't know, the lines of lightning. I need to replay that. I didn't catch it on film. Dang it. That was, holy shamamas. Okay guys, we're back. Got the mom.
Is it all right there at that?
In the dude.
I bet it hit something in the park. That was a good picture.
I know, I was just literally complaining that I had missed the cartoon lightning on camera. I'm like, dang it. And then and then that happens. I'm like, holy shmamas. Whoa, there was some more. Clip that. Just happened right again.
just
Oh, there was some more.
and you don't know how. Oh, the little baby thing here.
Okay.
Don't drop them. There are 4. Make sure there's 4 on your tongue.
Ready?
And then these. You know we shouldn't be this close to the window. You know that, right, Ethan? Ethan.
Okay, guys.
Shutting off.
I know. Watch this with me.
I'm afraid you're a little bit better. I don't think you should be that close to that.
How is the
What if the
power
power
not
doesn't
gone
go
out? We literally just, I'm like, how is the power not gone out? Whoa.
Yeah, it's a noisy, flashy storm.
It's like lightning every other second. It's like,
Come here, little puppy. You poor thing.
oh my God, it's the puppy.
He's so afraid. He's trying to be such a brave puppy man. But he's a little worried. He doesn't like it so much. He wants to keep his boy safe and his mom.
Isn't that right, puppy? Hi. Mwah.
Good fool. He's like, I smell my Ethan. He smells safe. Now I'll try to get on my mama's lap. even
Uh-huh.
though I weigh nothing.
Even though he weighs like 105 pounds. I just felt water on my...
Most vulnerable moment.
Oh, God.
Yeah, we're doomed.
Power outage.
I should probably be like trying to blow my hair dye super fast before. Thanks.
My mom's like, she needs to blow her hair dry, and meanwhile, I'm just blowing her hair. I'm like, I bet that in the next flash of lightning, maybe like a bigger flash of lightning, something's gonna happen. Like the power is definitely going out.
Yeah.
Any worse? Can we go in the?
Are you
Do we go in the base?
Prancer?
I'm.
The wind, if it were super gusty, windy, or hailing, then we would go in the basement for sure. What do you think, Fancy?
Here goes the rain again.
Here, come on. You could just cuddle right above my lap. And you could even smell her butt if she doesn't notice she won't smack you in the face. She's gonna smack you